Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, how long does it take for Western Union to send money? If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the time it takes for Western Union to send money depends on several factors, including sending methods, the destination country, and how the recipient chooses to receive the funds. So here's a breakdown on typical transfer times. So number one here, money in minutes. Speed. Funds are typically available for pickup within minutes, as the title says, after the transaction is completed. Method. The option is usually available for cash pickups at a Western Union agent location. And conditions. So both the sender and receiver must meet certain criteria, such as sender completing the payment, for example, using a debit or credit card, and the agent location being open as well. 2, next day. So speed. Funds are generally available within 24 hours. Method. This option may be available for bank deposits or cash pickups depending on the destination. Number 3, bank account transfers. So the speed is 1 to 5 business days typically, depending on the country and the bank processing times. The method, which money is sent directly to the recipient bank account. Factors. The time frame can vary based on banking hours, holiday, and other factors. 4, mobile wallets. Speed. Funds are usually available within minutes. The method, the money is sent directly to the recipient's mobile wallet. Conditions. Availability depends on the recipient mobile service provider and country. Home delivery. So the speed is 1 to 5 business days. Cash is delivered directly to the recipient's home, and this service is available only in certain countries. 6, prepaid card. Speed, immediately available upon transfer. Method, money is loaded onto Western Union prepaid card. Conditions, the recipient must have a Western Union prepaid card. So there's some factors influencing transfer times. Payment method. So transfer funds funded by credit, debit card, or cash are typically faster than those funded by bank accounts. Destination country. So transfer times can vary significantly based on the recipient's country, time of day. Transfers initiated outside of business hours or on weekends may take longer. Compliance checks. In some cases, additional verifications or compliance checks may be required, which can delay the transfer.